इस बीच बड़ी खबर आ रही है, आपको बता दें इस ग्राउंड रियलिटी में भ्रामक विज्ञापन का ये पूरा मामला है। रामदेव बालकृष्ण के लिए बड़ी राहत के तौर पर इसे देखा जा सकता है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अवमानना मामले को बंद कर दिया है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने रामदेव का जो माफीनामा था उसे स्वीकार कर लिया है। तो ये बड़ा अपडेट और बड़ी राहत के तौर पर इसे रामदेव और बालकृष्ण के तौर पर उनके लिए बड़ी राहत के तौर पर इसे देखा जा सकता है। और हमारे सहयोगी हरीश इस वक्त हमारे साथ जुड़ गए हैं डिटेल में जानकारी देने के लिए। हरीश, ओवर टू यू।
Yes, that's right. It's a big relief for Baba Ramdev and Acharya Balakrishnan as after accepting their apology, Supreme Court has closed the contempt case against them for issuing misleading advertisements and also the undertaking to stop issuing misleading ads. They had given that to the court. Now all the proceedings against them have been stopped. The bench said we accept the apology tendered by the parties. However, we expressly and strictly warn them that they will not do anything in violation of the court orders like it has happened earlier in this case. We have come down heavily and we warn that this should not be done in future. The affidavits tendered before this court should be done with full truth. We close the contempt proceedings initiated against the parties with the warning of adhering to the orders passed by this court. In this case, the notice issued to present contempt and also stands discharged and the matter is closed. Remember, after accepting his apology, the bench had on the last date of hearing told Ramdev that you have a great following, use it in a positive way. You have played a great role in popularizing yoga, great contribution from you. What you did with Patanjali products is a different issue. Remember, Supreme Court bench had earlier pulled up Ramdev and Balakrishna for flouting the undertaking given to the court on November 21, 2023. Bench had asked during the hearing that seeking an apology, how can Patanjali claim complete eradication, not just curing of BP, diabetes, arthritis, asthma, obesity? It's a total violation of Drugs and Magic Remedies Act. Also, allopathy cannot be brought down, deprecated in the eyes of the public. So, as of now, it's a big relief for Baba Ramdev and Balakrishna as after accepting their apology, the court has closed the contempt proceedings against them.
बिल्कुल हरीश, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए। तो ये बड़ी राहत के तौर पर रामदेव और बालकृष्ण के को ये बड़ी राहत मिली है। आपको बता दें जो अवमानना का नोटिस था उसे पूरी तरीके से बंद कर दिया गया है कोर्ट द्वारा।